In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a sharp corner into a smooth curve in Adobe Illustrator using the direct selection and anchor point tools. We'll start by focusing on the path you want to change. Make sure you're using the direct selection tool, which you can access by pressing A on your keyboard. This tool lets you select individual anchor points and segments rather than the whole object. Click directly on the path so the anchor points become visible. If multiple objects are nearby, click once to select the path and then click the specific anchor point you want to modify so it's clearly highlighted. Zooming in can really help here for precision and to avoid grabbing the wrong point by accident. Next, switch to the anchor point tool by pressing Shift+C. This specialized tool is designed to convert anchor points and control the shape of your curves. With it active, hover over the corner point you're targeting. You'll notice the cursor indicates you're ready to modify the point. Now, click and drag directly on that corner point to convert it into a curve. As you drag, you'll see two direction handles extend from the anchor point. These handles define the curvature on either side of the anchor. A short drag creates a subtle curve. A longer drag creates a broader, more dramatic arc. If nothing happens at first, make sure you're dragging from the anchor itself, not the line segment. With the point converted, it's time to refine the shape by adjusting the direction handles. Each handle controls the curve on its side of the anchor. Use the direct selection tool or keep using the anchor point tool to grab a handle and move it. Pulling a handle out increases the curve's influence. Pushing it in reduces it. Rotating a handle changes the angle of the curve as it leaves the anchor. For a symmetrical, smooth bend, keep both handles roughly the same length and angle, mirrored across the point. For a more custom shape, move one handle independently to create an asymmetrical curve. Small, deliberate movements are best. Watch the path update in real time to judge the effect. If a change doesn't look right, press undo and try a shorter drag or a slightly different handle angle. Using smart guides can help align handles cleanly, and working at a higher zoom level makes fine adjustments easier. That's all there is to it. Select the path with the direct selection tool, choose the anchor point tool, click and drag the corner to convert it, and fine-tune the curve by shaping the direction handles. With a bit of practice, you'll be sculpting elegant, precise curves in no time.